So in my recent most video, I explored this new great AI tool for research. That's PaperGuide AI. It's all-in-one AI tool. You can just do literature review with it. You can do AI search. You can look for ideas. You can chat with multiple PDFs. You can extract the data of a lot of articles at a time with more than 30 columns at a time. You can write with it. You can check your plagiarism and much more. That's many of the things are available in my previous video. Check the link in the description, and also you will have a 20% discount with my code by buying this premium PaperGuide AI, which is really worth it. In this video, let's talk how you can actually streamline your writing process with this PaperGuide AI. So I'm at the interface of PaperGuide AI, and I'm not going in its login details and other things is available in the previous video. So say for example, you're going to write on a new project. So you can click on this writer here on the right side. So once you land here in this, you will option of a new document. You can click on this, you can close this sidebar. So once you are here, you can actually give the title of this paper here, or you can give the title of paper here, and say for example my title in pregnancy. So let's say for example you're writing about this. Now here you have gotten options of ask AI. You can ask literally any question during writing. You can cite the papers here, and you can actually have the option of this optimization of your text. You have got some other optimization options. Now here you can put a table within the body of the text. When you're writing, you can add some tables, you can add some images, and as well as you can some code book. And best thing is that PaperGuide AI just gives you a built-in check plagiarism. So whatever you can write, you can just check the plagiarism or similarity index, and it has got a reference manager option as well. This option is explored in previous video. So say for example I'm writing something and I'm clicking on this create outline option. So once I click on it, so once you click on this, it will ask you certain questions. So you can give it a prompt that, say for example, so I have written this prompt here that write the outline of a research paper, and in double commas you can write that title, that's anemia in pregnancy and outcomes, and I've given that it's a review article. So once you write a prompt here in this column, it will show you how good your prompt is, like it's telling me that it's a great prompt. Okay. Now then it gives you option of language, that in which language you wish to write. There are multiple languages, usually write in English. Then yes, it gives you citation styles, that during writing you are going to cite some papers or sources. So in which style you wish to write. There are a number of citation styles provided in this PaperGuide AI. And say for example we are writing in this Vancouver. So once it is done, then it says you that from where it should use resources to write an outline for you. Should it use the public research databases like PubMed, Google Scholar, and Embase, or it should only use my references, like the references that you have stored and imported into this PaperGuide AI, either through your Zotero library or the PDFs that you have uploaded. I have shown in the previous video how you can do this, or you wishes to use both. So say for example I'm asking to use it with the public research databases, because I don't have currently the papers with this theme in my PaperGuide AI. Once you click in this, you can click on this generate outline. So here it is. Now the outline of your review article is actually here, where it gives you the introduction, then more about the global prevalence and burden, then physiology, then normal hematological changes during pregnancy, pathophysiology, types, causes, and everything that should be in that topic. And it gives a detail of the headings. It actually gives you the heading, the what headings you should cover in this research title or research question that you have given a prompt of, so that it will be a great. If you don't like it, you can go for the another outline. If you don't like that, you can go to previous. So here you can change. So say for example I like this outline, and I'm adding this outline here. So once you add this outline here, it is just here. So what you can do now is either you can just click on this save option and export this whole outline into your Word book and just then write your further there on the Word or LaTeX, or you can just complete your writing here and add tables simultaneously, images, code books, and then you can check plagiarism. And so say for example I like this thing. Now I'm writing the introduction. In introduction I'm writing about this global burden. It just suggests you that, okay, the first title or first heading should be introduction, and what should you write in introduction. It says that introduction you should write about this global prevalence and burden. Say for example I have started writing about this, and I'm just, say for example I have written a few lines and I want to give citations. Now what you can do is you can click on the cite option, and once you click on the cite option, Now this was just an example. Obviously when I will write on something, I will first collect studies on that particular topic for writing. So say for example, I have a bunch of articles collected in my paper guide on writing on a certain topic, and once you click on this site, from this references, whatever you have stored here, like I have stored some random articles, they will appear here. If you wish cite one of this, you can click on this site and they will cite it. Or you can cite from the research databases online, and it will suggest you some articles from online. So currently say for example I'm using this article, cite, say this article is cited in Vancouver style. Now what happens once you start writing and completing everything? Every citation you give, there is an auto bibliography generated at the end. Say for example, I have generated the first paper, and here at the end this auto reference is being built. So once you complete your writing, a list of references will be ready. You can actually change this to any citation style. Like I'm turning it to Vancouver, so it will be changed into Vancouver style. So once you finish your writing, you check the similarity index from here. Just click on this and it will show you the similarity index of whatever you have written, and it will show you here the plagiarism score or analyze your score. So I'm not going in its detail right now. So say for example, once you have just finished your writing, you can click on this save button, and before that I will show you that you have option of settings here. Like while you're writing, you have got a bunch of options here. Like you can give it prompts, you can just click on this auto complete sentences, you can use this AI harmonizer, though I will not suggest to use it. Then you have got that what sources do you wish it to use, and there are certain other options that you can. So once you have done all this, you can click on this save, and here it is in your Word, and you can open it. Here it is. You have got a complete Word document of whatever you write on this paper guide with your references that you can just add it in your Word and according to your need. So I hope that would have been helpful. Just use this paper guide AI and explore it more. And remember, you have got 20% discount with my personal card. Thank you.